Welcome. If you've ever received a message in Telegram that's not in your language, you know how challenging it can be to keep the conversation going. Today, I'll show you how to enable Telegram's built-in translation feature, so you can translate messages instantly inside any chat, group, or channel. This guide is updated for 2025, and the process is quick and easy. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Whether you're on Android or iOS, the steps are the same. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to your account and app preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the language option and tap on it. Here's where you'll find the translation settings. Now, you'll see an option labeled Show Translate button. Go ahead and turn this on. This simple switch activates Telegram's translation feature, adding a Translate button to the context menu whenever you select a message in another language. With the Translate button enabled, head back to any chat where you've received a message in a foreign language. Tap once on the message you want to translate. Don't long press. Just a gentle tap. A menu will appear with several options, and you'll now see Translate as one of them. Tap on Translate, and Telegram will automatically detect the language and show you the translation right there in your chat window. This feature works in both private and group chats, and you don't need any third-party bots or external apps. It's all built right into Telegram, making cross-language conversations seamless and effortless. That's all it takes to enable and use message translation in Telegram. With just a few taps, you can break down language barriers and connect with anyone, anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with friends who might need it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting in any language.